been with NetSoft for 1.5 years. I actually just took the VCP course. It was the first time that I studied VMware. The way they taught was really simple. Was really easy to understand for beginners. If you go to some other institute, they usually the normal time is around 40 hours, but over here they spend extra hours with you so that you can understand really well. I have recommended quite a few people for this training. My trainer was Tariq Azad. He was one of the best trainers that I've ever had. Answered all the questions, helped out in hands-on, gave us home labs, did a lot of practical stuff. I'm sure that when I go in the industry, in the market, it will be a lot of help for me. Whatever information they give us, it's just extra preparation that they actually do.